Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys and you need to find where the fuses are located for the BCM, also known as body control module. You have up to 4 fuses guys, make sure to stand till the end. It could be any of these fuses. One of them is really tricky to remove, so we're going to explain about that one as we go. Before we start, let me tell you guys something. Now, this should work on generation 2009 to year 2015 guys, that generation Hyundai Sonata. Also, if you need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop guys here, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Another thing guys, on this Sonata we're actually planning on making at least 200 free electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, fuses. All that will be on this channel. If you want to see at least guys, we're planning on making 300 mechanical videos, how to take the whole car apart, fix and replace pretty much almost anything on it, and taking the whole engine apart. That will be on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped guys more than 100 million people on our main channel, Auto Repair guys, so please check it out. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, with that being said, okay, this is a 2013 Sonata. So we need to open the hood right here. You have the fuse box, so you have 2 tabs, one here, one there. You need to push towards each other, pull up, and okay. Right here, you're going to have a fuse puller that we need to remove, squish it, pull it out, and you can see this is our fuse puller. At that point, we need to go on the inside of the vehicle and actually start on explaining where all these 4 fuses are located for the BCM body control module that control the body control modules. That sounds a little bit funny, but that's it. So, next to the steering wheel, you're going to have right here, okay, one cap. This cap, open it, it says fuses on the back side, right? Fuses. Now, the first one that we need to check guys, okay, let me focus on the fuse box here. Okay, perfect, like that. Okay, I think that's good. You need to come to the 4th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you need to check the top fuse, okay, right here. Okay, and that's known as a quark fuse, 10 amp fuse. How you guys remove those? Pretty simple. You just get the fuse puller, okay, spread it, go on top of the fuse, pull it out. Perfect. And we have the fuse right here now. This is one of them. Now, if you don't know if the fuse is good or bad, we have a special video that explains how to test one. Sometimes you cannot clearly see if it's good or bad. You may think you have a good fuse, and at that point, guys, okay, you start putting more money, more parts into your car, when all you had to do test the fuse and find out that actually it was a bad fuse. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. If you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, I'll put that link as well for your convenience, so please check it out. Now, with that being said, okay, I'm going to push that fuse back in. What else we need to do guys? Okay, we need another fuse that we need to check. Okay, more fuses here, not just this one. So, okay, having a little bit of hard time focusing here. Perfect, I think that's great. The other fuse that we need to check is known as module 2 guys. So if you come, this one will be the 5th row from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll be the 2nd fuse from top to bottom. This fuse right here, that's the fuse that we need to check. 7.5 amp, that's module 2. Now we need to find fuse that says module 1 guys. So this is guys actually a little bit different. If you come, this is the right, okay, right side, 2nd row from right to left, it will be the 2nd fuse down. Another 7.5 amp fuse, okay, check that one as well. It could be this one that is causing problems with your BCM. And the last fuse guys, okay, the last fuse, if you come right here, you see that fuse thing right here, okay, you need to come this way, okay, you're going to pull out, then you need to squish on the sides and pull it out. Okay, let's explain about that now. This is guys the fuse assembly. So first, okay, you grab it, okay, then when it comes out a little bit, you're going to push right here and pull it out. And the top fuse, the 10 amp fuse, okay, the first fuse on the top, this is the one for the BCM module as well. It's known as room LP. So this fuse, check it out as well, guys, and when you're ready to replace it, all we have to do, just align everything really good and push it in. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find the BCM fuse on Hyundai Sonata. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.